Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 6. How to group rows in Power Query. To group rows in Power Query, follow these steps. Load your data. First, load your data into Power Query. You can do this by selecting your dataset in Excel, then going to the Data tab and clicking on From Table Range. Open Power Query Editor. Once your data is loaded, the Power Query Editor window will open automatically. Select columns for grouping. In the Power Query Editor, select the columns you want to group by. You can select multiple columns by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking on the column headers. Group By option. With the columns selected, go to the Home tab and click on the Group By button in the Transform Group. Configure the Group By settings. A dialog box will appear. Here, you can configure the grouping settings. Group By. Choose the columns by which you want to group your data. New column name. Enter a name for the new column that will contain the aggregated data. Operation. Select the operation you want to perform on the grouped data, such as sum, average, count, etc. Column. Choose the column on which the operation should be performed. Add aggregation. If you need to add more aggregations, click on Add Aggregation and configure additional operations. Click OK. After setting up your grouping and aggregations, click OK to apply the changes. Your data will now be grouped based on the selected columns, with the specified aggregations applied. Load data back to Excel. Once you are satisfied with the grouping, click Close and Load in the Power Query Editor to load the transformed data back into Excel. By following these steps, you can efficiently group rows in Power Query, allowing for more meaningful data analysis and insights.